How to find square root of 1764 by long division method. Make pair from right hand side to left hand side. So this is your first pair, this is your second pair. Consider this pair. Find out a number whose square will be equal to 17 or equivalent to 17. If you write here 5, then 5 square will be 25, which is greater than 17. So 4, if you take 4, then 4 square will be 16. Same digit will come to the quotient side. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down this. Okay. Same digit will come under this divisor. Right. 4 plus 4, 8. Now you have to place a digit and here, and you need to multiply this times this. Okay, and this product should be equal to this or nearest to this. So if you place here, look, 2, what will happen? 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 8, 16, 164, which is equal to this. 2 times 82, that gives you 164. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Same digit will come under the divisor and need to add 84. The double of 42 is 84. So our answer is correct, 42. The square root of 1764 by long division method is 42.